Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well and are in the best of health. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create this ultimate summer makeup look, which is very easy to achieve and it's perfect for these hot summery days. So you can also be wearing this for college, and you can also wear it for outings. You can also wear it like a no makeup look. It looks perfectly beautiful because it's a balanced makeup look that doesn't look too much and it doesn't look either too less. So if this is something that interests you, then you know the drill. Please continue watching. Alright, to begin with, I'm going to start applying this tinted sunscreen from N, which is one of my favorite sunscreens. I already have my skin like prepped up with all my skincare done. I'm wearing a moisturizer on top, and I'm going to just apply this sunscreen, which will also work as my base because it is tinted. And I usually take like 2 to 3 pumps in my hand, and I start putting the product onto my face. As you can see, it has like a very lightweight texture and has some tint to it. One of the reasons I really like to use the sunscreen as my base product during the summer is because it gives me like a very soft tint, and I do not need to set this up with any powder, and I do not sweat, or my face does not become oily or cakey, which is something I really like about the product. So I'm going to finish blending this up with my fingers and apply this evenly all over my face. You can see the finish. It's absolutely skin-like and I love it. It feels super lightweight, and I'm done here, but sometimes I feel like going with concealer, and today I am going to conceal my eyes. So to make this more brighter, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It's one of my go-to concealers. I love it. And yeah, I'm going to just use this up to conceal my dark circles, which are looking very prominent. So I'm going to erase them with this concealer. Now to blend this, I'm going to use this PAC concealer brush, which is their 272 brush, and I'm going to start blending the concealer with it very light-handedly. What my concealer looks after blending it out, and I love the way the sunscreen and the concealer go well with each other. Like, it looks very uniform and I love it. Now I'm going to be setting up my concealer with some loose powder because the concealer tends to crease. So I'm just going to be setting up those areas wherein I applied the concealer. So there are days wherein I feel very lazy and I just would go on with some compact powder. But today I'm feeling like doing it the right way because most of the times I do use the finishing powder. So I take this onto this sponge and I set the areas I have applied concealer. And I love the finish you get with this tool. Like, this tool is magic and I will 100% recommend you to get it. You will fall in love with it. Now to add some color onto my face, I'm going to be using this Glowish bronzing powder by Huda Beauty. You can use any other bronzing powder you have. I personally like this one because it really adds a soft look to my overall look. I sometimes skip this step and sometimes I do it. It depends really on the time I have. If I do have much and enough time, I do this step. If not, I completely skip this one. So this product is not very pigmented and looks quite soft onto the face. So I love it for natural and very basic makeup looks because it doesn't really accentuate a lot your face, and it looks like very effortlessly done and very natural. Like, you can see, like, it does add some color but it doesn't look too much, and I absolutely love it. Next, I'm going to use a blush to add a pop of color onto my face, and I absolutely love blushes. You know that blush is something I cannot miss in my makeup looks. And the one I'm going to be using today is this one by Rare Beauty. I've been recently using this one quite a lot because I love the formulation of the product. First of all, it is very pigmented, super long lasting, and it is very beautiful. I love the shade of it. You'll see how this looks on the face, and this is in the shade Encourage. I love the applicator. It is so easy to use, looks so cute, and it's so worth it. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply like 3 dots very like light-handedly, not too much because it is quite pigmented. And I'm gonna be blending this up with this blush brush by BH Cosmetics. And yeah, you have to be quite quick while blending the blush because it tends to settle up quite like rapidly. So be quite quick while blending it. And this is what it looks like. I also like to take whatever is left on the brush and brush it on the temples of my face and my chin so that the entire face looks uniform and balanced. And yeah, for mascara, I'm going to be using this one by L'Oreal. This is their Air Volume Mega Mascara. It is easy waterproof, and to be honest with you guys, I really like the formulation of this mascara. It is so voluminous, it makes my lashes super voluminous, and it's so easy to remove as well. Like, it doesn't feel like my lashes look like fried and very dry. Like, it is like a comfortable formula, and I absolutely swear by this one too. And it is waterproof as well. I also like the wand of it. It's quite like thick and like spiky, the ones that I like, and it's very easy to work with as well. This had to happen. You can literally see the difference, and that's the reason I love this mascara. For lipstick today, I'm going to be using this lip combo, and to be honest with you, I use anything nude. Like, I use either the K-Beauty lip crayon in the shade Gossip, I either use Nykaa Next Level Nude, or I use the Clinique Pop color in the shade Bear Pop. So today I'm going to be using these 2 products for my lips, and I'm going to start lining my lips with the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. It's my OG favorite lip liner, and you'll see why. Now I'm going to be filling my lips with the Bear Pop by Clinique, and this is a very shiny, shimmery, glitter-like lipstick which I absolutely like. Like, for summers, I really like those glossy nude lips, and it's a vibe. So I'm gonna just show you how this one looks, and it's a pretty everyday nude gorgeous shade. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it has like somewhat like a shimmery glossy finish, and I absolutely love this lip color. It does transfer because it is glossy and it's not matte, but it is quite long lasting. Like, in comparison to my other like glossy lipsticks, it stays on for like a good amount of time. It does also survive through the meal, so it's fine. Like, I love the finish of this one, and the color is something I absolutely like. It's so pretty and the perfect everyday shade. Like, it's the perfect everyday nude lip color that matches my no makeup look perfectly, and it's pretty. So this is it for my summer makeup look. This is what I usually wear when I have to go outside for meeting friends, going for lunch or brunch, or even for running some errands, and I do feel like, you know, getting a bit ready. This is what I do, and it's quite like long lasting, the makeup. It stays on like this for hours, and it is absolutely lightweight. It looks so beautiful. It looks not very much and it doesn't look very less. It's the perfect, you know, in between makeup look, and it's something I really like wear a lot. You could say it's my signature makeup look. I used to wear this one for college as well, and it's like amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful to you. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't joined my family yet, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and joining our family. We would love to have you updated with new videos every week and to chat with you and make you a part of this growing community. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, please take care, have a wonderful night or day ahead, and keep on smiling. Bye.